Good night, Mr. Caldera. Today I'm going to ask you some questions about perfect. Well, have you ever ridden an animal?
Yes, Oscar. I have to read horses and donkey.
What sport have you ever played?
I have played football, basketball, volleyball, so I want to play tennis.
Have you ever surfed?
No, I haven't survived in my life, but I would like to do that ever.
Well, now I'm going to ask you some questions about present perfect continuous. Where have you been running?
I have been running in the mountain.
What have you been studying?
I'm studying English languages.
Have you been crying?
No, I haven't. Crying hardly ever.
Well, now I'm going to ask you some questions about past perfect. Had you finished your homework?
Yes, I had finished my homework.
Had you finished reading your book?
No, I haven't finished read my book.
Had you worked for your uncle?
Yes, I had worked for my uncle.
Well, that's all. Thank you, Mister.